Coliseum. An iconic symbol of ancient Rome and one of the greatest architectural marvels ever built. This massive structure wasn't just an arena for gladiator fights. It was the beating heart of the Roman Empire, a place where power, technology, and spectacle collided. Above ground, it stunned the world. But beneath the arena floor existed a hidden realm. A complex underground system, tunnels, cages, lifts, mechanisms that made gladiators and wild beasts appear as if summoned from nowhere. This wasn't just entertainment. It was ancient engineering pushed to its absolute limits. So how did people without electricity or modern machines pull this off 2,000 years ago? How did they flood the arena for naval battles? How did the Romans build the Colosseum so fast and so strong that it still stands today? In this video, we uncover the secrets of the Colosseum, explore the hidden Colosseum, and reveal what made building the Colosseum one of the most ambitious projects in ancient history. The Roman Colosseum stands in the center of Rome, surrounded by landmarks that shaped daily life in ancient civilizations. Nearby was the Ludus Magnus, the largest gladiator school in Rome. This is where fighters trained, lived, and prepared for battle before entering the arena. Close by stood the Meta Sudans, a towering fountain where surviving gladiators washed away blood and dust after combat. The Arch of Constantine, rising 21 meters high, celebrated victory and reinforced Roman dominance. And towering over it all once stood the Colossus of Nero, a massive bronze statue later rededicated to the sun god's soul. Many historians believe this statue gave the Colosseum its name. What made the Colosseum construction so amazing? Originally called the Flavian Amphitheater, construction began in 72 AD and finished in just 8 years, an astonishing feat in Roman architecture. The structure rises over 50 meters tall and could hold more than 50,000 spectators, rivaling modern stadiums. Poor soil forced Roman engineers to innovate. They poured a 12-meter-thick, ring-shaped foundation using ancient technology, a key reason the building still stands. This was building the Colosseum at the highest level of Roman ingenuity. The facade showcased all three classical orders: Doric at ground level, strong and simple; Ionic above, elegant and balanced; Corinthian at the top, richly decorated. Each arch once held statues of gods and heroes, reinforcing Rome's divine authority. Above them all, the attic supported the Valerium, a massive awning system that shaded the crowd from the sun. The Colosseum had 80 ground-level entrances, an advanced crowd control system even by today's standards. 76 of them were numbered, allowing tens of thousands of spectators to flow smoothly to their seats. The southern entrance was reserved exclusively for the emperor, offering a direct and private passage to the imperial box, the Pulvinar. The northern entrance was designated for magistrates, Rome's most powerful and influential officials. 2 gates led directly to the arena. The eastern gate, known as the Gate of Life, welcomed gladiators as they stepped into combat and allowed the victors to depart in triumph. The western gate, the Gate of Death, served a darker purpose, carrying away the fallen. Together, these entrances embodied the brutal duality of the Colosseum: glory and death, spectacle and sacrifice, standing side by side at the heart of ancient Rome. Inside, seating reflected strict social hierarchy, from senators near the arena to slaves high above. Yet for a few hours, all of Rome watched the same spectacle. One of the most shocking events ever staged here was the Naumachia, full naval battles. The wooden floor was removed. Water from aqueducts flooded the basin. Condemned prisoners reenacted historic sea battles to the death. These events ended once the underground system was built, but they remain one of the strangest chapters in weird history ancient Rome. Secrets beneath the Colosseum. Beneath the arena lay the Hypogeum, a 2-story maze of tunnels, lifts, and trapdoors, the true engine of the games. Using winches, pulleys, and rotating platforms, Animals and fighters were lifted onto the arena floor in seconds. This was ancient engineering so advanced, it influenced modern stage design. Above it all stretched the Valerium, fabric sails controlled by hundreds of workers. Made of fabric panels and supported by 240 masts, it was raised using ropes, winches, and pulleys, requiring the coordinated effort of hundreds of workers. This remarkable system didn't just provide shade, it inspired the design of modern stadiums. For nearly 500 years, the Coliseum defined Roman entertainment. Today, it stands as a symbol of the Roman Empire, a window into hidden secrets of Rome, and proof of what ancient minds could achieve. And a heartfelt thank you to our YouTube members. Your support keeps history alive.